Hello, this is Greg. This is a eBay sales video. This is a power pack, rechargeable battery, and cradle for a. This is what the whole thing looks like. It's brand new and unopened. Uh, what it shows on the back is it is a stand for Gameboy Advanced. It makes it sound like there's a battery in here, but I am not. Maybe this is a battery, and then it talks about it's rechargeable. So, anyway, if you know more about them, this is brand new in box. I have two of them just like this. It was made in China. And I guess that's really, I don't have much more to say about it. I can't find any date on it. It does have a model number. I believe it's a model number of P-24708. And it was made by Interact. These guys right here. So, that's what I have. Thank you for watching. Thank you more for buying. Have a great day.